from associate to my journey to a technical lead, I can give a thankful to Intellipart.
Tell me about yourself, your background, your skill set, and please mention the course that you have taken from Intellipart and from which place you belong to.
Okay, fine. So Akash, as you know, myself Pooja Rani Sabat, I belongs to Odisha. Currently, I'm working as a RPA technical lead in DXC technology. I have taken I have skill set of RPA with Automation Anywhere, VBA, VB Script database, and I have taken the course of UiPath and Artificial Intelligence from Intellipart.
Okay, right. So what was your objective of the training? Can you please tell me that?
My objective of the training is I have trained on UiPath, as I said, before I have experience on Automation Anywhere, but I have taken training on UiPath and Artificial Intelligence from in Intellipart.
Okay. So talking about online institute, Pooja, there are lots of online institute available in the market. So why did you choose Intellipart over others, and from where did you hear about Intellipart?
Okay, Akash, actually, one of my friend who has taken training of machine learning from Intellipart, he suggested about the Intellipart trainer and the live project assignments, and yeah, he made me confident to join in Intellipart. And also I have seen some of the review sites. Okay, there I saw the review of Intellipart, so that inspired me to join.
Okay, that's good to know. So you must have finished your course, or you must have ongoing right now into training, right? So
Yes.
Can you please tell me about how was your experience with my mentors and instructors?
Okay, the instructor or we can say trainers, they are very good in the skill set, and I can say they are having a lot of experience or expertise in the field. They will try to more interact the online classes, like they will try to make more user friendly, so that people don't have any doubt or any question. They will try to clarify all the doubts, and yeah.
Okay, to our next question, can you please tell me how was the quality of course material that was provided to you by Intellipart?
The course material covered all the content which was discussed in the live session, and one good thing is the material is not about only the theoretical, but they are having also pictorial representations and more practical example.
Can you please tell me how was your experience with my with my support team?
Okay, the support team is always, we can say, active. Whether in a call or in a mail communication, they will give you best response and they will resolve your query as soon as possible. So yeah, we can rate 5 out of 5 for the support team of Intellipart.
Thank you so much for that. So to our next question, can you please tell me about your success story in brief words?
Sure. Like when I came to the IT world, I was having a very, in office also they will not give all the trainings, like all the best knowledge of your field. So that is the reason I have taken training from outside, like Intellipart. And I can say from associate to my journey to a technical lead, I can give a thankful to Intellipart for giving me a lot of information about the RPA, so that I can say I'm an expert in RPA and with machine learning. Yeah.
Good to know that. Right, to the last question, how can you describe Intellipart in one sentence?
I can say it's a technical advisor or a mentor.
That's actually good. Thank you so much, Pooja. It was a pleasure speaking with you.
Thank you so much.